2018 marks the 30th anniversary for Subaru's in-house motorsports division, Subaru Technica International, better known around the world as STI. To mark the occasion, at least in South Africa, the automaker offers up the special 2019 WRX STI called the Diamond Edition. It's packed with upgrades and is the most powerful WRX to ever come from the factory, but as mentioned in the headline, there is a serious catch. Actually, there are two catches: only 30 examples will be built, and all will be sold exclusively to the South African market. We suspect this exclusivity is because the car was developed by the automaker's South African branch, and we like what we see. The Diamond Edition STI gets a healthy power boost to 349 horsepower thanks to a remapped ECU and a performance exhaust upgrade. Subaru SA says it's enough to chop nearly a full second off the standard STI's 0 to 100 km/h time, which takes just 5 seconds in the Diamond Edition. Top speed is unchanged at 255 km/h. However, there's more to the car than just an under-hood upgrade. Subaru SA engineers spaced out the wheels so the car has a wider stance by 20 mm. The suspension isn't lowered, but the car wears a special body kit with high-visibility yellow trim that gives the Diamond Edition a bit more attitude. It also gets a new STI engine brace, and of course there's special 30 Diamond Edition badging on the outside. Inside, the special STI gets unique designs for the driver and passenger side dashboard inlays, as well as a numbered panel on the driver's side. As mentioned, only 30 cars are slated for production and all are exclusive to South Africa. Ordering is already open, with the special build cars slated to hit dealerships in January. The tweaked STIs don't come cheap, however. Pricing is set at $56,000.
Nissan quietly updated its compact Rogue Sport halfway through the 2018 model year, adding a host of safety systems. For the 2019 model year, that trend continues with even more tech, but it doesn't affect the bottom line all that much. The 2019 Nissan Rogue Sport is already on sale at dealerships. Updates for the 2019 model year include a new audio system with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, in addition to the rear door alert safety system, which warns you if you're about to leave something in the back seat after turning the car off. Pro Pilot Assist, a driver assist suite that will center the vehicle in its lane on the highway, is also now available. A base Rogue Sport S with front-wheel drive will set you back $22,240, which is just $130 more than the 2018.5 model. Adding all-wheel drive to this trim will incur an additional $1,350 markup. Standard equipment includes LED running lights and satellite radio. Sadly, Nissan's suite of active and passive driver aids remains unavailable for the base S trim. Move up to the Rogue Sport SV trim, which starts at $24,040, and you're able to add Pro Pilot Assist as an option, and all that good safety kit becomes standard. The SV trim also gets automatic climate control, keyless access and 17-inch alloy wheels for a slightly sportier look. The tip-top Rogue Sport SL trim makes Pro Pilot Assist standard, also adding heated leather front seats, remote engine start and embedded navigation. That one will set you back $27,960 with front-wheel drive. As with previous Rogue Sport model years, the powertrain comprises a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated i4 that's good for 141 horsepower and 147 pound-feet of torque, all of which is routed through a continuously variable transmission.
true to the Subaru brand's core value of all-wheel drive, the Japanese automaker's first-ever plug-in hybrid will stay true to its heritage. They could have built their first PHEV on a two-wheel drive platform and achieved more MPGe and EV range, but chose to build on the rugged cross-track platform. They did sacrifice some fuel efficiency, but it wouldn't have been a real Subaru without its go-anywhere attitude. The cross-track plug-in hybrid is powered by an FB 22.0-liter boxer engine like the standard cross-track, but is coupled with two electric motors for all-electric power. It uses an 8.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, and the two electric motors produce 118 horsepower and 149 pounds-ft of torque. The 2.0-liter gas engine produces 137 horsepower and 134 pounds-ft of torque. Subaru estimates total system output at 148 horsepower, which is slightly lower than the standard cross-track's 152 horsepower and 145 pounds-ft of torque. Here are two reasons why Subaru sacrificed MPGe and EV range in cross-track plug-in hybrid. 1. All-wheel drive is a core value for Subaru. Even with less horsepower and more weight from the PHEV hardware, with the cross-track gas-electric combination, the acceleration and power should be significantly quicker than the standard model. The 148 horsepower setup achieves an electric-only driving range of 17 miles and speeds up to 65 mph in full electric mode. That is good for a fuel economy rating of 90 mpge. This is less than plug-in hybrids from other mainstream brands, but Subaru chose to offer it an all-wheel drive package offering all-weather, all-terrain capability. For comparison, the Chevrolet Volt gets an EPA-rated 53 miles of electric range and 106 mpge, the Kia Niro PHEV gets 26 miles and 105 mpge. But the Volt and Niro, along with most other mainstream non-luxury plug-in hybrids, don't offer all-wheel drive. The larger Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV features an all-wheel drive system and comes with more electric-only range than the cross-track but lower efficiency. The 2019 Subaru Crosstrek plug-in hybrid offers real all-wheel capability in a hybrid package, and it embodies the company's environmental vision and their vision to be the overall safety leader. It also comes standard with EyeSight driver assist, so it will be the safest small PHEV SUV for consumers. 2. Safety first. Even with the increased weight of the Crosstrek plug-in hybrid system, collision and safety performance will stay at the highest levels for consumers. Subaru could have lowered the weight of the new Crosstrek and sacrificed safety, but they strengthened the chassis to support the increased weight of the plug-in hybrid system, as well as protection for the high-voltage battery to ensure Crosstrek's class-leading safety even in the plug-in hybrid model. The all-new first-ever Subaru plug-in hybrid wouldn't have been a real Subaru without being built on a rugged platform with all-wheel drive, all-terrain capability. It will also be the safest small SUV PHEV for consumers. The Japanese automaker sacrificed MPGe and all-electric range in their first-ever 2019 Subaru Crosstrek plug-in hybrid to stay true to their core values.
Nissan announced pricing for the 2019 GT-R Sports Coupe and also said it will produce 50 of the GT-R 50 commemorative models designed by Atoll, designed to celebrate the golden anniversary of this automotive icon. The more affordable 2019 Nissan GT-R Sports Coupe starts with the Pure model, which keeps the same $99,990 price tag as last year. Next up, the GT-R Premium, which boasts an 11-speaker Bose audio system, active noise cancellation and enhancement, and a titanium exhaust system is priced from $110,540. For hardcore enthusiasts, the 2019 GTR Track Edition, which features suspension enhancements while keeping the same 565 horsepower, 467 pounds-ft of torque, 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 as the other two models, is priced from $128,540. All models come with a 6-speed dual-clutch sequential shift automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The 2019 GTR Nismo, which is the ultimate performance expression of the coupe, costs $175,540 and boasts 600 horsepower and 481 pounds-ft of torque. This limited edition trim also features optimized aerodynamics, suspension and powertrain settings. Delivery is $1,695 extra. Nissan said it will produce a limited run of the Nissan GTR 50 by Italdesign, which is based on a concept presented last summer at the Goodwood Festival of Speed to mark the 50th anniversary of this legendary performance coupe. The look of the car is unchanged from their prototype, and it is expected to retain the 720 horsepower and 575 pounds-ft of torque from the specially crafted 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6. Only 50 of the cars will be built by Italdesign and will cost $1.1 million each before taxes and options. Unlike the prototype, which was finished in a special matte gray finish with gold accents, customers will be able to choose their own color combinations and interior hues and trim packages. Bob Lashley, Global Sports Car Program Director at Nissan, said, "The reaction from Nissan fans around the world, and potential customers of the GTR 50, has greatly exceeded our expectations. These 50 cars, which celebrate 50 years of the GTRs while at 50 years of Italdesign, will be rolling tributes to Nissan's engineering leadership and rich sports car heritage for a long time to come."